Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you a few new jewelry pieces that I got from the brand Ana Luisa. This brand reached out to me and kindly sent me a few pieces for me to show you and share my honest opinion. I will also be unboxing my new Stuart Weitzman shoes. And at the end of this video, I want to show you a little bit of my trip to the Netherlands. I went there last week to visit my family and I recorded a little bit of the city of Rotterdam. So without further ado, let's get to the video. Okay guys, the way I'm going to start this video is by showing you my new jewelry pieces and talking a little bit about the brand Ana Luisa. Ana Luisa is a jewelry brand and they are located in New York. They are mostly known for being a sustainable but yet affordable brand, making conscious luxury jewelry accessible to everyone. They also promise to have the highest quality pieces because they do a stress test to all of their jewelry to make sure that all of their pieces are life proof and that they will stay beautiful through the years. Something that I really like when I was reading through their website is that they are very transparent when it comes to the materials they use to create their jewelry. So they use recycled materials whenever it's possible. Most of their jewelry are done on gold-plated brass and gold-plated sterling silver. The prices are very affordable. I think one of the most expensive items was around the $200. But yeah, and you have also items of $39, which is fantastic. As you can see, every single item came on a separate pouch. These pouches are on two different colors, green and beige, and they close with two magnetic bottoms. As I said before, I received 3 necklaces and 1 pair of earrings. The earrings are very small. I was expecting them to be a little bit bigger, but still I really love them because they have this zirconia, cubic zirconia stones, which makes them sparkle with the light. I think they are very beautiful. What I really like from the necklaces is that I can wear them on its own or I can stack them. It's really very versatile jewelry and I find it very good quality. I really love it. Thank you, Ana Luisa, for this beautiful package. And something really great is that they are running the biggest sale of the year, up to 60% off. The code will be automatically applied when you check out. Don't forget that I will leave in the description box below the links to all of these items that I am showing you and the link to their shop. And my new little earrings are these beautiful hoagies made of sustainable sterling silver covered with a 14-karat gold layer. As you can see, the earrings have also stones and they are cubic zirconia and they are so shiny, they sparkle with the light. I really love these earrings and I am not taking them off. Okay, now to the second part of this video is unboxing my new Stuart Weitzman shoes. All of the Stuart Weitzman shoes come on this bright blue bag with the name in gold Stuart Weitzman on the top. So I open the box and the first thing I see is the leather care instructions card. Then we have a beautiful, good quality dust bag. So these beautiful pumps are the Annie 70 in color black and they are on patent leather. As I told you before, I use number 39.5 in European sizes. These shoes are made in Spain. And I really love these pumps. I also love very much that they are not so high, so I can use it even to go dancing. Once everything comes back to normal and hopefully we go back dancing again. But they are a great pair of shoes, a great pair of pumps also for going to work. If you have an office job, they are perfect because they are comfortable and they are not so high. Still, they give you the elegant foot with the heart shape at the front and the pointy toe. Very, very elegant shoe and beautiful. These shoes are a little bit expensive. As we all know, Stuart Weitzman are expensive shoes because of their quality and the way they are made. But if you keep your eyes open, you will always find a sale. I always buy my Stuart Weitzman shoes on sale, and I just keep an eye on them, put them on my wish list, and keep looking. But yeah, these are my Stuart Weitzman shoes. I am very happy with my purchase, and this was on the sale, as I said, and yes, I'm going to keep them for sure. Okay guys, so now we reached the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to have a look at the jewelry from Ana Luisa. I think they are a beautiful brand with affordable prices, very good quality jewelry. Something else I forgot to tell you and that I want to say is that their jewelry has a lot of structure. It's not like those very thin jewelry, very thin necklaces. This is really a very good quality product and I am very happy with it. Thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sending me these pieces. You know guys, that if the quality was not there, I will not tell you otherwise. Because I like to be transparent in my channel and that's why I want to say this is worth it. The jewelry is really beautiful. At least the pieces I have. Remember that they have the biggest sale of the year, up to 60% off. I will leave the links for all of the items in this video in the description box down below. All the jewelry from Ana Luisa, and I will also leave the link for my Stuart Weitzman shoes in case you are interested. So if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I wish you a beautiful and Merry Christmas with your friends and family and hope to see you on the next one.
Oh,